Hello everyone, my name is DIMPY RAJORA and I have secured All India rank 829 in UPSC Civil Service Examination 2022. I am going to talk about how to prepare for civil services along with your graduation. I am assuming the graduation is of 3 years. So basically what I had done, my graduation was in 2021 and I thoroughly enjoyed my first year. I was exploring college, I was building on my personality, was focusing on my academics. And in the second year, I was involved in many extracurricular activities. And I would suggest this to all of you to also include yourself in extracurricular activities in your college as well as on your academics, because this helps in your personality. And we should also focus on the stage that is personality test in UPSC, which is like the most important stage, the last stage. And in the final year, I would suggest you should start preparing for UPSC if you are giving prelims in the final year or even after 1 year. So along with your academics, you can focus on the prelims. And आप अपने prelims के लिए जो normal standard books है हमारी polity के लिए लक्ष्मीकांत, spectrum, economics के लिए whatever you feel comfortable in, geography के लिए NCERTs और NCERTs for building your base, आप इन सारी ही standard books को graduation के final year में follow कर सकते हैं. एक strategy आप बना सकते हैं if you are not going for coaching. And this 1 year can be enough for the UPSC prelims. आप आंसर राइटिंग अगर आपको डाइसी लग रहा है तो आप उसको प्रीलिम्स के बाद भी फोकस कर सकते हैं, बट हैविंग अ स्ट्रैटेजी एंड हैविंग रेड ऑल द स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स इन योर फाइनल ईयर अलॉन्ग विद योर academics, because you should not ignore your academics as well. And I guess this should be enough for your preparation for the civil services. And this way you can also work upon your personality on your prelims, on your mains answer writing. And one should not focus on civil services starting from the first year. Enjoy thorough your college life, it won't come again. Build your personality, get involved in as many activities as you can, and give importance to the civil services in your final year. This would be my advice. Thank you.